then he's coming. Who is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. Lolly!
Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? So if you have not seen this face before, my name is Pretty Sharon because I'm pretty and I'm Sharon. So guys, before I get right into this video, go into the subscribe button, press the subscribe button, like the video if you finish watching it, comment and tell me what you think about my makeup and my pimples face, everything. Just show me how you are feeling about my video. So right now, let me not be stressing you guys with my story. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a makeup, a get ready with me makeup on Valentine's Day. I know they say Valentine don't pass, no problem, but at least now here they do my also. So when I watch the video, like all those normal things. So if you want my post video where they see everything what they do, or they talk about everything, just tell me, then I'll talk all the products. But right now, I'm just doing a normal get ready with me on Valentine's Day video. So this was how I was looking on that day, on a bush level, with a Brit level. They see, and so you need to first put the primer to just seal all the sweat with your entire family, seal, and then you call you spider tape, blend that down. We need to cover these pimples. So they see, and so spray it. Sweat in my family member, I band you and I cast you, I castigate you, all the sweat, they'll call dry, gum your face, blow. They say, and these two foundation I want you so because my color not the like the mash. I don't know when I want to see my color. So I say the same, so you see this color. So if I put and say I rub only this color, it go too dark. So I need to mix another color join for her to day clear and they shiny. The same, so you see the color, so okay. So let's move on to the next color. So right now I put this one they very waterish. Hey, waterish or watery or hey warebo. Me have a Z. This one they get like it not thick like the other one. Like the other one, that one will be say if you get any spot for face they cover them. But this other one and the way be say if you know you put many makeup you put. But me they like to mix the two together based on say I want the makeup to me. I want me marry my face. I want me my pimples dot or anything. They acne me anyone know they stop by because I don't know we have one. Wait I want back before these people again. So right now I'm gonna just watch this video and answer the fast forward dance, open the dance, follow me, the dance. I beg you don't do Mona shower. Wanna go subscribe to my video, like, comment for more beautiful, sexy, sweet, loving content. Ciao, peace out. See you in my next one. Who they breathe? They say that concealer they use so. So when I had to look outside, they draw the map of any man who waka come meet me while they draw this man. Feel there because he go to say, hey God, go to person. Then a person they rob me or they total bomb me for face. You no go understand based on the different color why they put for my face. So without further ado, let's start watching this video with no talking. They already talk reach 30 minutes. So I go that they talk shower. No baby, man not talk more again. Na shower. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your like and your comment. If you don't already comment and like, I'm going to be see you in the next video. I'll go see you. I'll see you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. We will see you in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Love you like for real. Love you. Bye bye.